Howdy. It is very windy, somehow more windy or windier than I expected it will be today. And I had to do some stuff outside because it was like very windy. So I went over to Windy to check out satellite picture. Maybe you've noticed it's just frozen, it doesn't move, at least in Central Europe. Now let's check out 6 hours. I did this already before. And now let's check out 12 hours. There is nothing moving. The reason why, like I said, why I came over to Windy now, I was just thinking that I'm really interested to look at the weather patterns over Europe at the moment because it's very windy. It wasn't in any forecast or whatsoever. But obviously, it's not visible. We cannot see anything. It doesn't move. The question is why? Is this a technical issue or not? Because it looks very interesting, just like the screenshot we got here. There's this kind of double layer going on, but no, it doesn't move. We have radar. Radar works. So there's something rather quickly moving over Finland. But I would like to see the clouds as well. And we have some strong thunderstorm activity in the Mediterranean. Check this out. And when you look at this, like bad weather above probably means also bad weather below, geological weather. Somewhere here we have this earthquake swarm which is not stopping, it's continuing since many weeks. No one talks about. And we have Stromboli going off. And it is very interesting. Clermont-Ferrand, lightning activity. Let's zoom in, let's check it out where we are exactly. Yeah, the wind is howling. That's very not predicted. Let's go over quickly to the wind. I'm somewhere around here. And this should be the time now. 22. I would say it's at least double. So this map isn't really accurate. Like it's really windy. Yeah, double, like I said, 50. But we cannot see the satellite imagery, which is also very interesting. Why? Why now it's not visible when it would be very interesting? It's always very interesting, but especially now. Here we can see this bow shock system I have been talking about many times. But it seems that next week it will make a dive down. Maybe we have to take a look at that quickly because it looks quite action rich. Now let's just press play and see where we go. There is some shift going on, that there is cold air, yeah, maybe also water, plunging into Europe in the next few days, next weekend or something. There it starts already, coming down from the north. Saturday, and then already the winds reach here. They might bring also some precipitation. And this is coming amongst Greenland, and it goes all the way down almost to the Canary Islands. And at the same time, we have very strong low pressure systems up here. And it will be just a matter of time until we have, again, a very strong high pressure system over here. But now let's just check it out how this, probably that's a forecast from whoever, how this could affect weather in Central Europe in about a week or so. Yeah, that's a rather strong or big low pressure system. But it seems that it's just spinning around here. Here we have, they are the Azores, and somewhere we have the fault line, which is probably not a fault line at all, it's still the place where Earth is growing, expanding. So it's a line of energy. Part of Earth's electrical circuit. And obviously it's blowing cold air into Scandinavia soon. So let's go to the beginning and check out some rain and thunder forecasts and put away those pressure lines. So this is from the beginning of that day. Where to put it? That would be very cool if I could zoom out just a little bit more. Please, Windy, make it possible. Here we can still see on Wednesday, tomorrow, that the wind is blowing mainly, as it should in a way. The same weather pattern which provides Europe with warm weather, or provided, since it seems to break down. There is bad weather in southern Italy. This doesn't look good. And Albania. Yeah, the places I've been talking about recently, where we have probably cryptodomes and such. And now here you can already see how the air is getting sucked in from the north. So one of those long fingers, or how they call them, from the polar vortex is plunging into Europe. by the end of the weekend, we have one, two, three vortices aligned over the sea. You don't see this very often. Yeah, I actually just noticed this one. That's very interesting. This is coming from the north and is somehow is splitting into. Let's go back a bit. Yeah, that's a very interesting map. I don't think this shouldn't be like that, according to whatever North Atlantic water patterns or weather patterns we are used or we have been used to, because they obviously are going to change, or they are changing in front of our eyes. And I just want to point out how far south this is reaching. That reached really far south. Maybe something like that. And here we have the equator, a little bit more down. Where is Lake Victoria? Here is Lake Victoria, and on the northern shore is the equator. So there isn't too much space anymore. And it seems also to blow over this Sahara, like from the north. That's all very interesting. Yeah, there's snow in Scandinavia coming in the northern parts. Norway, they probably get a huge amount of snow. There's also Finland. Yeah. Yeah, maybe next week I can report about the first snow. Yeah, now this broke in two here. Yeah, that's very interesting. Check it out. This goes from southern part of Greenland all the way down here, and then it goes into South America, Central America, and into New York. Uh-huh. Let's check still out. Accumulation. Rain accumulation. 10 days. Yeah, the ocean gets soaked. And also Central Europe, the Eiffel area. And Norway. But anyway, yeah, there's a few parts which are getting very much water. 245. Yeah, that's quite much. 160. 122. 500. Okay. Yeah, 120. We don't get much. 22. Yeah, but that's a forecast. This might be wrong. But I just thought it is interesting to see that the satellite picture doesn't work. Let's try again. 12 hours. It is loading. And not working, which is a big pity. I really would like to watch at the clouds right now. Wait a second, let's check it out if there's any other moving. Blue doesn't work. Visible? No. Very interesting. On days like this, I wish this would work. But anyway, I leave it here. Windy doesn't work. Despite it's very windy. Like very windy. Thanks. Bye.